So today I got called up by the plumber, Honest Jardy's Plumbing Service, because this clean out door was falling out and he can't get a proper draft reading. So I just came in and I put the clean out door in. I'm going to show you how I do it, and then we'll get a comment from Honest Jardy. Today, see this thing? It's falling out. And the plumber, Honest Jardy, wants me to re-cement it back in. So this all right here is solid cement, and the chimney's clean. So the first thing I'm going to do is wet it. Like I said, if you don't wet it, it's not going to stick. So we wet it first, and then we get the door. See the door? We wet that too. Because all we're going to do is put it back. It's cast iron. It's not rotted. Now we're going to mix some cement up. We're going to mix this up. This is the formula. See? About like that. Alright. Now we're going to take this with our rubber glove and go all around the edges. Don't forget, we wet it first. Just like that, because we want this to stick. See? If it don't stick now, it ain't going to stick when I put the door back on. That's what we're doing. We're just doing it to make it stick. All around the edges. It's all wet. So we know it's going to stick. See? Now we get the door. And we puddle it around the door like this. See it? We're going to put the door back in. Just like this. Puddle it all around the door. It's getting hard already. I can feel it. Just like this. So there, it's all puddled around the door now. Now we're going to put it in. We've got to look and see where the thing is. Thing is right here. We get it, and we hang it in. See that? If it's sticking like that before I even... Then you get your cement out and you go around the edges. Just like that, see? Fill that door in. Just like that.
Hippie was supposed to get me these and he never did.
Okay.
I don't care. Yes, sir.
Okay, Hippie's doing good. All right. Now see, that's stuck in there already. So we know that that's good. Like that. Now we're going to go around the inside. Just like that. Okay. Now we know it's sealed all the way around. We don't have no leaks. And Honest Jardy's going to tell us about why we're doing this, so we don't get no leaks. Now we get our water and sponge. Go around the inside like that. Seal it all up like that. See that? We want to go around the outside. See, that's all sealed up. Just like that. No big deal. Ain't no big deal. Underneath, we got the door. Get any on the door. Door's in good shape. And close the door. Clean up all around it. Pretty much done. It's all sealed in there. And now, clean the bottom up here. Just like that. Clean the ground up. Alright, we're all done. Cement ain't even dry and it's sticking. So if it sticks when it's wet, it'll stick when it's dry. This is Honest Jardy, the plumber, who's putting in the whole new system here. Little shoddy to me, but why did we have to do that, Honest Jardy?
Well, the clean out door is in place to clean the chimney and actually look up to see if you're blocked. But if it's open, the draft is the draft. You won't get a correct draft reading. It screws the draft up. So, and the little RC regulates the draft. And I have to get my draft gauge on here to set the boiler properly. With that open, the draft goes haywire, and you can't get a correct draft, which affects the burning of the boiler. So that's why Michael was here today. But I noticed a little shoddy on the cement work. I'm gonna have to clean it up later.
So I'll talk about that job a little bit. You could get all kind of different clean outdoors. This is a cheap one that they sell, usually at any fireplace store. Just slosh your stuff around in there, stick it in, make sure everything's wet. If you use a fast drying cement, you're done in 20 minutes. If you use traditional cement, it might go on for, you have to go back the next day and check it. Here's an old cast iron one I ripped out of an old fireplace they were tearing down. These will last a couple hundred years if they don't get wet. So keep your eyes open, and thanks for watching. Until next video.